morning all the students. Just wait for 2 minutes. Our friends may have to join. Yes, good morning all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Now we are going to discuss about our chemical equations. What is the types of chemical equations? Yesterday we already completed about two types. Okay. Yes. Next the component is the what types of chemical equations. Yes. In this one, there is yesterday we already completed about the what? Yesterday we completed about chemical decomposition. Completed chemical decomposition. The chemical decomposition means what? When we take a one element that will be decomposed into two elements. Yes, A X S. It is the gives rise what? S two elements. That is the A plus X. Understood or not? I hope you understood it. Yes, next component is here when you take a calcium component, it is one of the chemical compound, and it will be converted as two elements. One is CaO, calcium oxide, is carbon dioxide. What happened here? We take the one substance, but it is dividing into two substances. That type of chemical equation probably called a chemical decomposition. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is not called a chemical decomposition. Got it? Yes. And next, after this, there is one more important information also there. That is about the most metallic hydroxide when heated decompose into metallic oxides and water. Yes, when you take a metallic hydroxides, you know very well hydroxides means what? Base. All the students, this time you have examination in your FA2 examination, we have syllabus also. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here, calcium hydroxide, it is one of the bases. Okay, it will be formed because of it is the lime water. Okay, how to prepare lime water? You know very well, huh? Yes, this is actually lime water. The lime water is decomposed as what? Decomposed as calcium oxide plus what? Plus water. When we take the hydroxide of metallics, non-metallics, it will become as what? It is become as here. When we take the metallic chlorides and metallic hydroxides, they are decomposing into somewhat oxides and as well as the waters and somewhat chlorides and as well as the oxygen. Yes, when you take here 2KClO3 potassium chloride, yes, and it will be divided as a KCl and as well as oxygen. Okay, clear or not straight? It will be decomposed as two elements. One is it will be decomposed as what actually it will be decomposed as an ACl and as another oxygen. It is a what? A potassium chloride. It is the oxide and it is a what? Water. It is the oxygen. Got it or not? Yes. It's only about yes, in this way, there will be considered the what? Decomposition reactions. And as well as one more thing, it is also there. Some acids, when heated, decompose into non-metallic oxides and water. You know very well. It is a what? H2SO4 is a what? Acid. It is a decomposed into what? It is a decomposed into yes, water and as well as non-metallic oxides. Yes, H2O and as well as what? Sulfur dioxide. Like that it will be formed. Yes, clear or not all the students? Sulfur dioxide. Yes, understood or not all the students? Next one is when you take a somewhat oxides when heated, decompose it into yes, somewhat another elements. Suppose you take a 2HDO. That is the what? Yes, mercury oxide it is. Hg hydrogyrum. Okay, na the chemical name of the yes, what it is mercury is written as hydrogyrum. This is the heated. When we heated it is yes, and automatically it will be divided into oxygen and as well as the oxygen and as well as the particular elements will be get for us. Yes, Hg and as well as the oxygen make it for us. Understood or not all the students? And next one is somewhat decomposes reactions are produced by electricity. Okay, already yesterday we are discussed. When you take a water, yes, when we are take an electrolysis process, it will be dividing as a yes, hydrogen and as well as oxygen. Okay, there is electricity we are used. And when we take a salt, general salt, yes, when we are taking general salt electrolysis process, in this one will we get the what? Sodium and as well as the chlorine. That is, we get the sodium and as well as the chlorine. Understood or not? This is about what actually? This is about our chemical combinations. Okay, clear or not on the student? Chemical decomposition. One step there is. This is the general form. This is indicate the what when we are taken a general example it will be, and next we are consider it is next when we are take it is as a what actually we are take it is a calcium hydroxide dividing as a calcium oxide and water, and as well as the potassium chlorates are also dividing as a two elements. Understood all the students? And so here when we are take acid, it will be also decomposed in this particular form. Where somewhat times we are produced the heat, somewhat time electricity. Okay, na they are undergoes the decomposition. Understood or not? When we are taken some substances, we produce the heat or produce the electricity, or otherwise somewhat times they are undergoes somewhat a chemical changes. They are dividing into two elements, more than the two elements also. That is called a decomposition. One chemical substance is dividing into more than one substances as a products. It will be called the decomposition. The decomposition, somewhat examples we are taken. Sometimes it will be go by the electricity. Sometimes it will go by the heat. Sometimes it will be go by the somewhat okay na general chemical changes. Okay, na clear or not? It will be dividing as into two substances. Understood? Yes, right. These are the things. Okay, na yes, it is because of heat. It is because of what? Electricity. It is because of electricity. Okay, na it is also because of electricity only. Yes. It is also heated only. Acids are heated. It will be dividing into two substances. water and as well as the sulfur dioxide. It is electricity. Just the heating process only main we are considered. Yes, here also it is the heated. The heat will be symbolized with the del symbol also. It is a metallic hydroxides. It is metallic fluorides. Okay, now it is the acids. It is the what generally when we are heated the one element, it is a dividing as two elements. Yeah. Next component. Yeah. Next component of this is chemical displacement. Chemical displacement. Which one is called a chemical displacement? Understood or not, all the students? And here we are taking what A plus Bx gives rise what? Yes, A plus Bx gives rise Ax and as well as the B. What happened here? There is a displacement. Means what? Changes its a position. Okay, now here what happened here? A is okay now displaced by the Ax and the B is remain like that. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This is only called our chemical displacement. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Don't confuse. One more type is also there, double displacement. Okay, now chemical double displacement is also there. Okay, now that is the have somewhat difference. Okay, suppose when you take a double displacement, there is a two elements are there in a way in a reactant side, and as well as the what the product side is also will get the what two displacements are occurs. Okay, now like that it is a called a double displacement. Ax plus By gives rise. This is a called chemical double displacement or chemical double decomposition or chemical double displacement. What happened in this reaction? Yes, you know very well. It is a become Ay plus Bx. Okay, clear or not? In this one only, okay, now single element is only displaced to here, and it is a form out there is the x is only displacement here. Understood not all the students? But what happened here? This is become to here, this is become to here. That is the AY and as well as it is the BX. That is the called double displacement. Got it or not? This is the called what? Chemical displacement. Understood not all the students? Yeah. How the displacement means what? As all the students you know very well, I am given this information. There is an arrow mark. Which side it is? Left side for arrow mark. It is a what called reactants. These are called what? Products. Okay, clear or not? Yes. The tail of arrow mark contain what? The tail of arrow mark contain which one? Reactants. The head of the arrow marks is the contain products. Here the product side, there after the displacement, there is element is that looks like AX and this element looks like a B. Got it or not? This element is what? AX plus BY. It will become what? AY plus BX. Got it or not? Yes, that is the called double displacement. Just one check one reaction here. I am taken here the two. There is a sodium. Okay, na combined with water. Okay, na it will be formed as a what? It will be formed as NaOH, 2 NaOH and a plus what? A plus hydrogen. Got it or not? 2 NaOH plus what? Plus hydrogen. This is only called as what? Double displacement reaction. What it is? It is A. Now it is a what? It is we are taken as somewhat a OH. In the H2O, what is there? OH is there. That will be comes to here. Okay, now and H2 only remained here. This is a called a B. This is a called a what? X somewhat. X is a OH. Here we take. Understand all of you? And this is a called a chemical displacement reaction. And one more thing, simple thing we have take here. Yes, ferrous. Yes, combined with the copper sulfate, it will be formed as a ferrous sulfate plus what? A copper. Got it or not? Ferrous sulfate plus copper. What happened? The sulfur totally, this will be comes to here. Understand all of you? This type of reactions are called what? Chemical displacement reactions. Understood or not all the students? I hope you understood here. Now there is one more thing is also there, hydrogen replacement and as well as the replacement of a non-metal by the more active non-metals that all are containing your textbooks. 1 second, there is a tables are given, metals activity nature and as well as the yes what is the next one? Non-metal activity nature is also given here. And 1 second that. But there is a displacement reaction purpose. Simply one displacement is occur. It is only called a chemical displacement. Sometimes there is a two displacements are occur. That is called double displacement. Just take it here and take an NaCl. It is a combined with the AgNO3. Okay, na? Yes, and it will be used as what? NaNO3. Yes, plus what? Plus it will be AgCl. 1 second. What we call it is A. What we call it is X. Okay, now what we call it is B. What we call it is Y. Now in the product side, 1 second. What happened? Yes, ANO3. Here Y it will be replaced by X. And here Y is replaced by what? X. Okay, clear or not? Here X is replaced by Y. Understood all of you? Here X is replaced by Y. It is Y is replaced by X. Understood not all? There it is a called what? Double displacement. These are the types of chemical equations. And whatever the chemical equations are given, the formation of gases and all these things, one shake it now. There it is about the hydrogen sulfate is formed when the combined HCl with the ferrous sulfate. Okay, now that all are may one check that all the different types of equations are there. Once go through the page number, yes, 15. Yes, once go through this page number 15, you get that all the information. Yes, whatever the chemical changes are there, double displacements are there, and the displacements are there. Everything will be contained in that particular equations. 1 second. Okay. and this is the already well-known equation for you. And the acids and bases equations it will be there. Okay, now yes, one second. What is that equation here? HCl is combined with the NaOH. You know very well it is. As third lesson already completed now. In that one, these equations are there. Salt, formation of salt. HCl is a yes, looks like what here? NaCl and as well as H2O. Okay, now you know very well. Acid is a combined with the base. It will be formed as a salt and water. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and now there is a what happened? This is a A, this is the X, this is the B, this is the Y. Now what will we get? A, Y. Okay, clear or not? A and sorry, here B and as well as the X may be written first, and next A be written and as well as the Y. Okay, clear or not, all the students? In this way, this is the third word, chemical double displacement or double decomposition. Okay, clear or not? These are the examples. All the students, the examples and as well as the general forms are compulsory for us. And you write this information as a tabular format. It will be very useful for you. And once what I am write on the board, please note down. Okay, now yes, the type of chemical equation. Yes, and general form. This is a very important for you. Combination. First one is the what? Combination. Second one, decomposition. Third one, displacement. Fourth one, double decomposition. Double displacement. One more it is also there. This is the fifth one. That is redox reactions. Yes, general form is A plus B gives rise AB, or A plus X gives rise AX. Not a problem. Okay, now and now decomposition. AB gives rise A plus B. If displacement is nothing but A plus BX gives rise AXB. Yes, here double decomposition. AX plus BY gives rise AY plus BX. Yeah, next last one it is our yes redox reaction. Yeah. Next, last one is what? Redox reaction. Redox reaction is nothing but when one substance is undergoes oxidation process. Oxidation process is nothing but what actually one atom or one electron is removed from the atom. Okay, now one atom is removed from the substance or one electron is removed from the substance is only called what? Oxidation. Okay, now suppose you take here ferrous. Yes, ferrous is last two electron. Understood all the students? Ferrous is last it's a two electrons. It's a called what? It's a called there is a Fe2 plus. It is a called what actually oxidation. Understood all the students? There is a chemical reaction which one substance is oxidized and at the same time another substance is reduced is called as yes, a redox reaction. Okay, when atom or a group of atom lost the electron is called what? Oxidation. Reduction means what? When atom or a group it is gain the electrons, it's called what? Reduction. Okay, clear? This combination of reduction and oxidation is only called what? Redox reactions. Clear or not, all the students? Suppose when you take a sulfur, there it will be what actually get the two electrons, it become what? S2 minus. Understood or not, all the students? This is called what? Redox reactions only. Okay, understood or not, all the students? There is a what we are taken as ferrous. It's the last, it's a two electrons. And as well as the sulfur, it's the gain the two electrons. Okay, now clear or not, all of you? Yes, it will be observe the two electron. The ferrous is last the two electron. The last of two electrons is called oxidation. Yes, the gain of the two electrons are called what? Reduction. The combination of these both are called redox reaction. Understood all the students? It is called what? Oxidation. Okay, now loss of electrons is called what? Oxidation. Gain of electrons it's called what? A reduction. Understood or not, all the students? The both combined together, it is called what? Redox reactions. Okay, now in any particular formation of a substance, suppose you take here 2Na, yes, plus water chlorine, it will be formed as a what? NaCl. How this is possible, you know? Suppose you take a sodium. Sodium is last one electron. Understood all the students? Sodium is last one electron by it will be formed as a Na plus. And next what happened? There is a two sodiums are formed the two electrons and it will become what? 2Na plus. Understood all the students? Yes, here we taken two now. Now the chlorine here. Chlorine is there is a two chlorines are required two electrons. Understood all the students? Two electrons. It's formed as a chlorine gas. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It's formed as a chlorine gas. Actually, one electron means what? It will be looks like. But we taken two, that is why it is a two. Understood all the students? Now, where these two electrons are come from here? The sodium is produced with these two electrons. Okay, now it will undergo oxidation. It will be undergo the reduction. Understand all of you? And it formed as a one substance. This is called redox reactions. Got it or not? Yes. Here there is a what happened? The sodium is last one electron, and as well as there is a what happened? Chlorine is a gain one electron from the where one sodium atom. In case the two is there, two sodium atoms are gives the two electrons, and the two chlorine atoms are okay now. Observe the two electrons which is given by the sodium. Understand all of you? Somewhat losses, somewhat gains. Okay, now the loss is called oxidation, gain is called a reduction. Understand all of you? The combination both is called what? Redox reaction. Okay, clear or not? That is only about the oxidation reaction and as well as the yes reduction reaction. I hope you got it. It is yes, and moreover there is a what oxidation number, reduction number. That is somewhat difficulty concept only. Yes, but you have to know that one also. Okay. Yes. Why this is occur? Why the chlorine is only last one electron? Why the sodium is chlorine is the gain one electron? Why the sodium is the last one electron only? Why there is it is not two? Why there it is not three? Okay, na? You may not get doubt. Actually, how many electrons are there in sodium? You know? Anyone? Anyone? How many electrons are there in sodium? I thought you know very well about this. How many electrons are there in a sodium? You don't know or no? Please give the response to me. Any of the from branch? No use that these all the things. You not understood. There is a clearly when you know don't know about why there is last two only. Why it is not last three? Yeah, suppose once check it here. How the water is formed because of combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Suppose H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. What is going on? Behind of this reaction, you know, there is a hydrogen is a container. One electron is lost by hydrogen. It will be formed as a H plus, and there is the oxygen is there. It requires two electrons. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Actually, it is required how many electrons? Two electrons. Okay, and at that time, it will be takes about two electrons from the hydrogens. There is how many hydrogens are involved? Four hydrogens are involved. Four electrons are losses. Four available for us. And how many oxygens are involved? Two. There is oxygen is lost. One oxygen is required. How many electrons? Two electrons. Okay, now it will be gained the two electrons. It will be formed as a oxygen gas. And how many here? There is a two electrons total. 2 into 2. How many are there here? 4. Yes, 4 electrons are taken from where? 4 electrons are taken from hydrogen and it formed as an oxygen gas. Like that. Understood? Hydrogen contain one electron only. What you understood from this one? Hydrogen contain one electron, but oxygen contain only 2 electrons are required. It is no. Oxygen contain 8 electrons. Yes, how many you are know there is a 20 number element sequence order? In the sequence order, how many you are know 20 number of elements? Yes, Jogi Pet branch, anyone? Please on your video or audio. How many members you know 20 elements? 6th class students knows 20 elements. Yeah, first element is a hydrogen, second element is a helium, third element is a lithium, fourth element beryllium, fifth element boron, sixth element carbon, seventh element nitrogen, eighth element oxygen, ninth element fluorine, 10th element neon, 11th element sodium, 12th element magnesium, okay, 13th element aluminium, 14th element silicon, 15th element phosphorus, 16th element sulfur. Okay, clear or not? 17th element chlorine, 18th element argon, 19th element potassium, 20th element calcium. What is this number? First element hydrogen means what? It is a contain one electron. Second element helium, it is a contain two electrons. Third element is a contain lithium, 3 electrons. Our oxygen number is a 8, it is a contain 8 electrons. Our chlorine contains 17, it is a contain 17 electron. Then why it is again only one electron? 17 electrons are there in a chlorine. Then why it is need the one electron? Yeah, one thing you have to know for this purpose only. Actually, we have 6 inert gases. What is the names of that? Yes, helium is one inert gas. Neon is one inert gas. Argon is another inert gas. Krypton is another inert gas. Yes, and helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon is another neon gas. Radon is another neon inert gas. These all 6 elements are called inert gases. They are become stable actually. These all elements are what? Stabilized things. Okay, clear or not? Means what? They are not involved in any chemical changes. They are originally, they contain like that only. All the remaining atoms are, yes, want to become stability. Every atom want to become stability. As a human being, you are also become what? Want to become stabilized. Okay, na? Yes, we try to become stabilized, na? Yes, we become stabilized. Stabilized means what? We arranged everything in a proper thing and we want to move as regularly, randomly. Okay, now we want to go with the order nature. That is why every atom want to become as a inert gas. Okay, clear or not? Every atom want to become as a inert gas. Not only our 20 elements, all the 117 elements except the 6 are not stable. They want to become stable. When the measuring of the stabilized is what? It will become as a inert gas. So our hydrogen is there now. Our hydrogen is want to become a helium. Yes, clear or not? Hydrogen is want to become as a helium. Yes, suppose our oxygen is there now. It want to become as a neon. Okay, why it is oxygen is not become as a helium? Why? Because it is somewhat impossible things are there. Oxygen is nearest inert gas. Neon is inert gas nearby the oxygen. What is oxygen atomic number? 8. What is the neon atomic number? 10. What is helium atomic number? 2. Which one is the near for oxygen? Yes, this is the what? Yeah, hydrogen, helium, neon, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, okay, nitrogen, oxygen, and as well as the, yes, fluorine and the neon. Oxygen is near for the what? Neon or otherwise the helium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after the 6th element. Okay, it is not try to become as a helium. Yes, all the elements are also try to become nearest inert gas. That's why only either they lost the electrons, either they gain the electrons. Our oxygen is also gain the 2 electrons. It is a become as neon. Okay, when it is a contain 10 electrons, it's a called what? Neon. Okay, clear or not all the students? When it is a contain 10 electrons, that is called neon. When it is a neon, it is a what? Stabilized. For this purpose only, this loss of electrons or gain of electrons are going on. Okay, the oxidation and as well as the reduction because of stability. When it is called stable, when it is achieved nearest inert gas nature, at that time it is called stable. For this purpose only, they lost it or they gain the, yes, these electrons. Okay, clear? They convert as atom. Our total chemical changes are depending on this one line. Okay, they want to become stabilized. That is why only the one is added with the another one. When one substance is added or when one substance is changed as another substance, they compulsory, okay, now either undergo the reduction process or undergo the oxidation process. Okay, now as for that purpose, how many number of electrons or how many number of protons? Sorry, how many number of electrons are gained or how many number of electrons are, yes, loss, that is only called loss. It is called oxidation number. Gain, it is called reduction number. Understood or not all the students? The gaining of electron or loss of electron is only called oxidation or reduction. Okay, clear or not all the students? The number, whatever loss, whatever gain, it is called oxidation number. In case it is a gain, loss. In case it is a gain, it is called reduction. Okay, now yes, that is a different for different atoms. Okay, this is only about oxidation and reduction, and the combination is called redox reactions. Got it? Yes, this is only called redox reactions. Okay, this is the concept, all the students. Just somewhat depth concept it is. Yes, may you reach it is. You are in the way of IIT. Okay, now you try to understand this all the things. Now this is the way of IIT. Got it or not? There is so many are don't know in a 10th class also this concept. Okay, oxidation and reduction. So many are also don't know about this. Okay, now when you observe this, automatically it will be good. And that is why only you stay some time. Okay, now 15 to 20 days. Immediately the IIT foundation is may not understood. Okay, it will be required to time to understand. Don't left it. Okay, now it is not my level. It is not understood for me. Okay, it is not correct. Yeah, any doubt in the oxidation and reduction? If any doubt, please raise your hand. It is a very important concept. Raise your hand, students. Yeah, there is. Please note down this tabular format, and as well as yes, there is in our page number 14. Sorry, 14. We have the somewhat table. It is there. That is what activation nature of element, active nature of element. Which one is active nature? Which one is the content? Yes, least active, most active, and least reactive nature for what metals and non-metals are given here. Once check it, metals and non-metals are contained as active nature and as well as the least active nature, more active nature. Once check it, sulfur is the content least active, fluorine is the content most active nature. Okay, potassium is the content most active nature, and as well as the gold is the content least active nature in the metals. Okay, the metals names are there, and as well as their active reactive nature is also given. Okay, once you write it is in a tabular format in your notes. Okay, clear or not? Tomorrow I want to observe all the branch notes. Okay, now I want to call to your principal sir or madam, and please on the video and the content notes or not. How to know that what is the position of your IIT notes. Okay, clear or not? All the coordinator sirs or madam, please the compulsory give the instructions to bring the notes tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we'll go with that very important concept. There is a whatever the multiple choice questions and as well as the IIT advanced questions are there to practice that thing. Okay, now don't miss it. With that, first lesson completed. Next important one, second lesson, that is acids and bases. Okay, thank you.